Let's sing the alphabet, it's so much fun! From A to Z, for everyone. Get ready to learn, clap your hands, hooray! We'll sing the ABCs today.
A is for apple, a happy red friend, jumping up and down, right to the end. B is for bear, so fluffy and white, swaying so gently, a sweet happy sight. C is for crab, dancing with glee, waving his claws from the deep blue sea.
Hey! D is for dolphin, pink and so neat, dancing and singing to a happy beat. Hey! E is for eagle, majestic and free, flapping its wings for the world to see. Hey! F is for fox, an orange furry friend, dancing and waving right to the end. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Hey! Learning letters, happy as can be. Hey! H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So many letters, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey! G is for ghost, saying boo with a wiggle, hey! Making us smile and making us giggle. Hey! H is for hippo, a happy purple sight, hey! Dancing and swaying with all his might. Hey! I is for ice cream, a cool sweet treat, spinning around, can't be beat. J is for jellyfish, floating around with a gentle pink wiggle, making no sound. Hey! K is for kite, flying high in the blue, hey! Swaying and dancing just for you. Hey! L is for ladybug, crawling so slow, wiggling her legs, watch her go. M is for Mickey, happy and bright, dancing with joy with all his might. N is for Narwhal, a cute blue friend, floating so calmly right to the end. O is for owl, running fast and free, looking so determined for all to see. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The alphabet's fun inside our head. Hey! A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing the alphabet with me. Hey! P is for panda, so cute and sweet, hey! Dancing with blushes, tapping his feet. Hey! Q is for quail, a mom with her chicks, hey! Walking and wiggling, doing cute tricks. Hey! R is for raccoon, friendly and gray, waving a paw in a cute happy way. S is for sun, round and so bright, hey! Happily spinning with all of its light. Hey! T is for tiger, a dancing sweet cub, hey! Swaying and grooving, in love with his club. Hey! U is for unicorn, walking with grace, a magical friend in this happy place. V is for volcano, erupting with fun, a giggling creature for everyone. W is for watermelon, a sweet juicy slice, hey! Dancing and swaying, it's really quite nice. Hey! X is for xylophone, playing a tune, hitting the colors beneath the moon. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down, waving its arms all over town. Z is for zebra, running so fast, black and white stripes, built to last. Yay! We sang the alphabet, hey! A to Z, hey! You're so clever, happy and free, hey! Let's sing it again, hey! Another day, hey! Hooray for letters, hip, hip, hooray, hey!